Hey there. Welcome back to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks on technology and apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use WhatsApp customer service on your Android device. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family, and it also has a customer service feature that can help you resolve any issues you may have with the app. This feature is perfect for getting help with things like account issues, bugs, or any other technical problems. Let's get started. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on the upper left 3 dots to open the menu. Next, tap on Settings from the list of options. This will take you to the WhatsApp Settings menu. Now, tap on Help from the Settings menu. This will take you to the Help Center. Once you're in the Help Center, you'll see several options for getting help with WhatsApp. You can browse the FAQ section to see if your issue has already been addressed, or you can search for keywords related to your issue to find relevant articles. If you can't find the help you need in the FAQ section, you can tap on Contact Us to access WhatsApp's customer service. From there, you can send a message explaining your issue, and a support agent will get back to you as soon as possible. It's important to note that WhatsApp's customer service is only available during certain hours, so you may not receive an immediate response. However, the support team is generally very responsive and helpful in resolving issues. In addition to contacting customer service, you can also report issues directly from within the app. If you encounter a bug or issue while using WhatsApp, you can tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the chat screen, then tap on Report and follow the prompts to report the issue. In conclusion, we hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to use WhatsApp customer service on your Android device. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.